Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Bonita local and long-distance movers near me. It is time to work with a trusted and cheap Bonita moving company. 3 Movers supplies the best long-distance and local moving solutions for your particular needs. We work with all kinds of customers, including veterans, students, property owners, renters, and many others. Our crew works hard so you don't have to. Our crew of qualified movers can make sure your long-distance move goes effortlessly. Selecting our team to help you means your cross-country move will go effortlessly. With the right moving services to assist you, any type of relocation, small or large, becomes so much simpler. Hiring our team gives you access to each of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. It's not always simple to rationalize the cost when choosing a California moving company. When you examine the key benefits you gain, the price might be easier to deal with. The time savings you gain may make hiring a moving company one of the best choices you've made. Minimizing the heavy lifting also offers another benefit you get from using the right local movers. Our professional movers provide effectiveness with every move. You don't have to worry about devoting multiple days handling your move when you choose 3 movers to help. It does not matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. If you want to work with a reliable Bonita moving company, you need to call us today. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bonita moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.